Hello, potato. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Hello, how are you? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, potato, last time we weren't able to see each other, but now we are here. Okay. So, let me share to you the screen so we can start with our lesson. Okay. Here we potato, wait me. I'm sharing the screen. Wait. Okay, so
Hi.
here's
Hi.
toys. Very good. What lesson? Lesson number
Two.
number 2. Okay, so we have here vocabulary.
Yo-yo.
What's this?
Jojo.
Yo-yo.
Eight.
This one.
Hi.
Height. Very good.
A lot of.
This one, potato. This is a lot of. Again, what is this? Potato, what is this? It's
A lot
a.
of.
Okay,
A
you know
lot
what is? Do you know what is a lot of? A lot of means it's so many. Okay? A lot of means it's so many.
Teddy bear.
What is this?
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. Okay. Now, potato, listen. Listen and repeat.
Does your brother have a robot?
Again. Read. Does your brother? Again. Read, read. Come on, you read.
Do you
Does.
brother have
Again, does. It's does. Does.
last
Does your brother
lamb
come on, does your brother have a robot?
robot has a robot?
Yes, he does.
Again.
Yeah.
Again, yes. Again, yes, he does. Again.
Oh, yes, he does.
Okay, this one.
Does he have a puzzle?
Again.
Does he have puzzles?
No, he doesn't.
Again.
No, he doesn't.
Very good. This one. Now, potato, if the person is a boy, you will say, does he have a toy? Or if it's a girl, we say, does she have a toy? Okay? The answer there is, yes, he
Yes.
does. Or,
Yes,
yes,
he is.
he does. Or,
Yes, he
no,
is.
no,
Yes, he is.
no, she haven't. Okay,
Does
please
he
read.
have a yo-yo? Yes,
Does he
he
have a
does.
house? He does.
Okay. Okay. Okay, again. Does he have a yo-yo? Again.
Do he
Does.
have a yo-yo? Yes. Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. Okay, look at here. Look at letter B. Does, come in here. Letter B. Does he have a sheep? Again, letter B.
Does he have a sheep?
What's the answer? Letter B.
Yes, he. Yes, he. Yes, he does.
Oh, yes, he does. Again. Yes, he does. Next, letter C. Does he have have a airplane? Again. Does he? Potato.
Ano?
Letter C. Does he have an airplane?
They have a pen.
What's the answer? No.
No, he don't.
No, he doesn't. Again.
He doesn't.
Next, letter D. Does he have a kite?
You have math.
Again, does
Do
he
you
have a kite? What's the answer?
No, he don't.
No, he doesn't. Again,
No, he don't have.
he doesn't. He don't have. He doesn't. Okay, look at there. Potato, number 1. Does she have a doll? Look at number 1. Does she have a doll?
Yes, it.
Yes.
It.
No, it is. Yeah. Yes, she does. Again.
Yes, he does.
Okay, number 2. Look at potato. Does he have a toy car?
Do you have a toy car?
What's the answer?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes, he have. Next, number 3. Does he have a robot? Again.
Have you have a robot?
What's the answer?
Yes, he is.
He is. Yes, he have. Again. Again, yes. Potato, yes, he have. Again. Yes. Potato, yes.
Yes,
He
he has.
have. Okay, next. Potato, number 4. Does he have a ball? Does
What?
he have a ball? What's the answer?
Yes, he has.
Okay, next, number 5. Does he have a toy ship?
You have a toy chip.
Come on. Does he have a toy ship?
Do you have a toy chip?
What's the answer?
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is. Yes, he have. Again.
Yes, he has.
Okay, next. Potato. Listen to the audio, potato. Write or put a tick if it's true or tick if it's false. Okay? Just put a tick. Put. Okay? Are you ready? Potato, ready? Potato. Hello?